you are going to learn the notes, you are not able to mark my word that will help you to solve the paper of class 10 science paper. Now everyone is familiar with the AI tools. Hello everyone, I am Hassan and welcome to my YouTube channel Al Abrar. Today I will be discussing what could be your strategies to solve class 10th science. Recently CBSE has released sample paper of all subject of class 10th and 12. Okay, after reading the sample paper of class 10th science, what I analyze uh, that the learning the notes of class 10th, it's not sufficient to solve the question paper. Okay, now what could be your strategies to solve the question paper? Okay, just now you are in the halfway. It's the month of August. Now you are having still 4 5 months. What could be your mindset? What could be your uh, preparation to get good marks in your class 10th board? Okay, just let me just make it clear. Just learning the notes of class 10th is not sufficient to solve the question paper of class 10th science. Or just because before 2020 CBSE not used to give the MCQs questions, case based question, reason questions. Now from 2000 onwards 2020 CBSE has changed the pattern. Now you have use questions, assertion reasons questions, and theory questions, numerical questions, and case based study questions. To solve all these types of questions, what could be your mindset to solve all these kind of questions? Okay, just my word that will help you to solve the paper of class 10th science. Okay, first of all, you should read the textbook of NCRT. Now how you will read the textbook of NCRT? What now in one day or in month or in a 2 month you can't read the whole NCRT textbook. Okay, just now let me tell you what could be the right way of reading NCRT textbook. Suppose in next morning in your class the topic is going to be plant hormones. Okay, now just you have to go through your NCRT textbook. Now open your NCRT textbook in topic plant hormones. Plant hormone is the topic in the control and coordination biology second chapter. Okay, simply open that topic plant hormone. What you will have to do, just plant hormones, just you have to read that topic only, that particular topic which is going to be is explained next day in your classroom. Before going to the classroom you should have a basic knowledge of that what are the plants hormones, what are the different types of plants hormone, and what are the functions of each. Okay, now here very smart solution is there for you. Okay, it might change the way of studying yours. Now everyone is familiar with the AI tools. Okay, AI is helping in every sector. Now you can add now simply you can also use AI in your studies. Okay, just let me introduce with the one application that is Chat GPT. Many of you are familiar with the Chat GPT. Simply you should have a application of Chat GPT app in your mobile phone. Now before studying, now you are not the expert of that topic, you don't know what are the plants hormones, what are the different types of plants hormones. Okay, simply just write plants hormone in Chat GPT. You will get their easy and detailed explanation. Just once you have to read from your textbook. If you are having any problem in any word, simply go through ChatGPT. Now just what I am saying, just mark my these words. Just avoid using Google now. Avoid using Google now. Just you should use ChatGPT instead of Google. Once now before you was using search engine Google as a search engine. Now avoid Google as a search engine. Just simply go through AI to for any kind of knowledge. Simply ChatGPT, use ChatGPT for any topic. Okay, you have studied from there one paragraph, you have gone through AI, you will get the knowledge from there. If you are not getting the sufficient knowledge from the NCRT textbook, just you have searched from ChatGPT. From there you will get it. Okay, 50% you will get from your textbook and including AI. When you will go through the classroom, the same topic is going to be explained in the classroom. Okay, 50% you already know what are the plants hormone, what are the different types of plants hormone, and what are their functions. Just everything, just you are the familiar with the topic. When teacher is going to explain the classroom, you will not have a such you will not have much difficulties in understanding the topic. 30% you will get from there. 50 plus 30, that will be 80%. The topic will be covered by you. Now when you will do the questions at the end of each chapter, you have to do the questions. Now you will do the questions, that topic 100% that topic will be covered by you. Similarly, next day, now plant hormone you have completed, next topic will be animal hormones. Okay, what are the animals hormone, what are the different types of animal hormones? Simply just you have to read the NCERT textbook of that topic, individual that topic. Okay, after reading that topic, simply if you are having any problem in any word, just simply write on ChatGPT. It will give you a detailed basic explanation from there. Just you have to pick from their knowledge and from the NCERT textbook. The same topic will goes on next day in your classroom. From there you will get something, and after like this your chapter will be completed. Now whole year just you have to repeat this thing. With this your NCERT textbook book will be completed. And after completing each chapter, this will be the first point, how to study the NCERT textbook. First of all, you have to read the NCERT textbook, and what are the study what could be your plan to study the NCERT textbook. Just add this plan in your studies to read the NCERT textbook. After this way, your whole chapter will be completed. Now, what could be your second plan? Like this, you have completed the reading of NCERT textbook and you have studied in the classroom. Already, you have the notes from your classroom. From your class, you will get the notes. Now, what you have to do? Now, you have to read that notes. Just, uh, just I am saying only for reading, not for learning the notes. Just make it very clear. If you are going to learn the notes, you are not able to solve the question paper. Just believe me, just mark my word. It's still you are having 4 5 months. If you are learning the notes, that will that's not enough, and you are just doing your loss in learning the notes. Instead of learning the notes, what I have told you, just read that topic. जस्ट लर्न दी टेक्निकल वर्ड्स. आपको क्या करना है, वहाँ से आपको टेक्निकल वर्ड्स उठाने हैं, उन्हें याद करना. जैसे कि प्लांट्स हार्मोन, 5 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स हार्मोन हैं: ऑक्सिन्स, जिब्रेलिन्स, साइटोकिनिन्स, एब्सिसिक एसिड, इथाइलिन. जस्ट यू हैव टू लर्न दीज वर्ड्स. टेक्निकल वर्ड्स हैं, अब इनके जो मीनिंग्स हैं, ठीक है, इनके जो फंक्शंस हैं, दैट यू हैव टू लर्न वन 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 लाइन, वन वन फंक्शन और टू टू फंक्शन. ये नहीं कि जस्ट यू आर गोइंग थ्रू योर होल notes. Simply just avoid learning the notes, just go deeply. Because if you will not go the deeply, because the type of question paper CBSE is going to make, it's not going to be easy for you if you are learning the notes. Okay, with this we have completed the chapter. We have covered the whole NCERT textbook reading. Now after completing each and every chapter, what could be your idea? Just simply take out one page. Simply just you have to take out one page, on whole page what you have studied in that chapter. Just you have to write in key points. ठीक है, keywords या key points में आपको उस चैप्टर को समराइज करना है ऑन वन पेज, नॉट मोर देन वन पेज और 2 pages. दैट्स इनफ. Because whenever you revise that chapter, just simply take out that page and read that page. You will get the knowledge. In this chapter these topics are there, and these are the important topics, these are the important points that you have. From reading that page, you will get the whole chapter. Okay, this could help you for revising chapter just in a 10 minutes or a 5 minutes. Okay, it's the most beneficial thing. Just add in your studies. Okay, with this, after completing each chapter, just you have to solve the NCERT questions. NCERT questions which have been given in your, after each chapter, the last page questions are given. Just you have to solve the that questions and the question which has been given in the inside, that you have to solve it. With this your chapter will be completed. Okay, similarly just you have to follow whole routine. Okay, with this you will be completing the whole syllabus. After completing your whole syllabus, now what could be your strategies for revising the whole syllabus? Okay, now you are having the one page, you are having the already the notes, you have covered the all NCERT questions. Okay, now just you have to take one more book, that is NCERT Exampler. Very important book, very conceptual book. Okay, otherwise just download the PDF in your phone, that could also be enough for that. Okay, just in that all the MCQs questions are given, theory questions are given, numerical questions are given. Just you have to solve, just till December your syllabus will be completed. Now you are having January, just solve all the NCERT Exampler questions. apart from after solving NCERT example questions of each and every chapter. Now what you have to do? Now you have to solve the sample papers of CBSE. Just I am saying, don't solve 10 years back. Just previous 5 years sample papers of CBSE. From here you will get the idea what CBSE is going to give in the exam. Okay. After solving that, if you are having enough time, just simply pick 4 5 previous year question paper of science. Just solve them. That could be enough for scoring 90 plus marks in science. uh, Still you if still you are having the time, just still you are having the time in your exam. Now what you can do, just you can have a sample paper. If you are having the time, just I am saying, if you are having the time, that's enough. You have completed all the topics, all the NCERT question, all the NCERT example question, all the sample papers, CBSE sample papers. Okay. If you are having still time, for time management, just simply pick sample papers and start solving, so that check it that in 3 hours you are completing that question paper or not. Just don't think of the marks, just think of the, just you are having enough time for solving that question paper. This could be enough, this could be enough for scoring good marks. PYQ questions, if you are having time, just you can solve the PYQ questions. Already we have discussed about the PYQ questions. Just simply solve 4 5 years, not go 10 years back. Only just I am saying, after 2020 questions paper, 20 21 22 23 24, just 24 till 24 25, solve all the PYQ questions class 10 science. Okay. Thank you.